Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I want to show you this beautiful portable fire pit from Korniful. This beautiful fire pit is light enough to come from your kitchen table where you were making s'mores with your kids to your outdoor porch or back deck for a romantic sunset with your sweetie. Or you could just simply set it on your living room coffee table to give you a little warmth on chilly nights or just to add a little ambiance to your evenings. Whether you decide to have it indoors or out, it will bring beauty and light to your surroundings. There are a lot of things that I personally love about this fire pit. I love the high quality material it's made from. I've used it many times and it shows no signs of wear. I've also left it outside in the rain accidentally and it's still fired up for me for the next use. It comes with these expandable toasting sticks, which is wonderful for making s'mores. You don't have to get too close to the fire. If you have little kids, you can extend it all the way out and you know they won't get hurt. This was very easy to use right out of the box. I simply saturated the bottom with rubbing alcohol and lit it on fire, and then it gave me a beautiful display. It also comes with a steel lid that will extinguish your fire in a matter of moments. So if you are in the market for something beautiful to add a little ambiance and romance to your surroundings, then look no further than this beautiful fire pit from Korniful.
And that's my point of view.